Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on Darwinex Zero or my Darwinex Zero experience or journey. Darwinex Zero is a great alternative to prop firms. It works completely different to prop firms, but you prove your track record or your performance, and then you get allocation. And after trading for 8 months, they can upgrade you to gold, and then you can get outside capital also to trade, and you earn 15% of all the earnings there. So it's more like a hedge fund, the way they run it. There is a monthly fee of $43 per month. This is the landing page, but you can just scroll through here and read all the information about Darwin. And then, yeah, you go through a 3 week calibration phase, and then you then qualify for silver, and then they track your trades, and you can get allocations between 30 and 375,000 euros for 3 months. So every 3 months, your allocation expires. But then, after you've proven yourself by earning more than 20% in 8 months and having a low drawdown of 2.5 times your drawdown, then you can upgrade to gold, and then the allocation is up to 500,000, and that is allocated to you for 6 months. So, and then you still earn 15% of that, and it also opens you for investors. You can also migrate to the Darwinex main platform, where you need to have funds to invest. But yeah, you can see the top traders here. This trader here has been allocated about 30,000 or 30 million. This one 4 million, 7 million, 2 million. So and yeah, this guy's been doing it now for 9 years already. So yeah, he's sticking to it, and his average is only 2% per month. The last year hasn't done very well, but yeah, still has that enormous amount of capital that he's running. He's got 1,100 investors. So yeah, go through this. So here's my dashboard. So far, I've been trading now since the end of 27th of August, and today is the 27th of October, so it's exactly 2 months so far. And you can see my ranking here. They also give you a ranking, your current position. Mine's 408 out of 7,266 people. But the most important part is this rating. You must get your rating above 75 to get allocation for that particular month. But this you carry forward to the next month, so you can build on that as long as you don't have drawdowns. So far, I'm quite impressed with my trading. I'm so far 7.5%. My maximum drawdown was only 2.7%. It was here. What at the moment, so after you do your calibration phase, you get allocated a risk engine. This is the risk engine. My risk ratio is times 3.84. So whatever I earn gets multiplied by 3.84. And so this helps me a lot with when I'm making positive returns, but when I'm making negative returns, it's also going to multiply it. But on the other hand, it also helps when you've got drawdowns. If this multiplier is lower than 1, then it also helps if you've got drawdowns, and it increases your performance. So the drawdowns are that low. The reason why they brought in this risk engine to make it safe for investors to invest in you without having the risk of having big drawdowns, or and to protect their funds. So at the moment, I'm trading very conservatively. I'm trading small lot sizes. I start with 0.2, and then I've got a martingale system that I use with the EA that helps me. The EA is actually a continuous trading EA, the profit retriever, but I trade it manually. and I'll show you the profit retriever just now. What to get your risk engine high, you need to trade small lot sizes and not have open positions for too long, and not have too many open positions. So you can get those three right, and I think I've got it right now, and that's why my risk ratio. I've never seen someone with such a high risk ratio as 3.84. So if you know someone of that, please comment below and let me know that I can check that person out. I can learn from him as well. But yeah, so what I'm using is the profit retriever, is a make profit no matter which way the price moves. It's works on a martingale system, but you need to have your settings right. Although it's a no loss robot, you can make losses if you trade too aggressively. So what I'm doing currently is the bot opens up more than one trade for me if it goes in the wrong direction, and then it predicts, and then I'll open up more positions in the same direction until there's a retracement, and then it closes out those positions. Let me just see if I can show you here. I didn't trade on Friday because I was traveling, but on Thursday, this is my Thursday trades. Why doesn't this one close now? Let me just see if I can show you. So here you can see, so I thought the market was going down, so I opened up a sell position. Then the market kept on going up and opened up another sell position, and then another sell, and then yeah, there came a retracement, and it closed out. Oh no, I can see there's two groups here. So it opened up a sell, another sell, and then it retraced and it closed it out. Then I reached a profit of $45 there. Here was a manual closure where I also closed it, but I made $10. And then I opened up another position because I thought now it was going down, but no, it went up. So it opened up another three positions, and then it came down, retraced, and it closed out and made $48 here. So far in the last 2 months, I haven't made one day a negative trade. I'll show you now in FX Blue that I use to get more stats. So you can see this is the actual. That's without the multiplier on the account. So I've only made 2% so far in the last 2 months. It's 1% per month, but it shows I've made 7%. So that's what the multiplier. So the multiplier can help you a lot. But what I want to show you is if I go to stats, and I'm only trading one currency, and that is the GBP/USD or cable. If I go to daily, and you look at my net profit for the day, you'll not find one day. There's only $2, but I only traded one, made only one trade. I might have been busy while, because I'm doing this part time, and while I'm working my full-time job. So you can see every day I'm making a profit. Not one single day I made a profit. And then Thursday I had a good day of $109. So, and I'm using the profit retriever, as you saw here on my MT4. The profit retriever is available on MT4 and MT5. So here you can see I'm using lot size of 0.4. Initially set it up on 40 pips, and then I'm manually go in and change it if I want to open up more positions. So I don't wait for 40 pips. So that's why I'm using it, but I'm using it manually. But where it comes in very handy is it works out my break even, that red line there and that red line there. So it works out my break even. So I just manage this trade so that I get to that break even, or so that break even is as high up or close to the current chart as possible. And so far it's worked for me. I highly recommend you check it out and try it out. If you don't have your own money to trade, then go to Darwinex Zero and open up account there. I'll put my referral link in the link below, or referral code, where you get $20 off, I think. There's different options that you can pay for yearly or monthly. I recommend do it monthly, just to learn the system, because you can exit anytime. Um, and then, yeah, you can see so far every month, this month has been a great month. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to build on this. And yeah, I think this method will prove itself if I can do it for more than 4 months. Because I've noticed that if I start a new method, normally after 4 months something goes wrong, or there's quarterly, or there's big trend changes after announcements or whatever, after a quarter or so. Then the direction of the charts changes. Then that's a big test. But I'm not continuously trading, so um, I don't. I'm not open to that kind of thing anymore, like I was in the past. So yes, let me know what you think about my trading style, and if you're gonna try it yourself. And Yes, I highly recommend you check the EA that I'm using out, and I'll also yeah, the VPS that I'm using is a cheap VPS. You can also, I've used them for more than 4 years now, and I'm very happy with them, and they are very cheap. So, and then check out yeah, Darwinex Zero. All right then, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.